Full carbon fibre Series 1 Lotus Exige. One of 2 in the world. The whole car is made of carbon fibre.
We're in the Batmobile. The carbon fibre Batmobile. We're inside it. There's the carbon weave. There we go. It's actually an Elise.
It's an Elise.
Back there we have a very angry engine from an S3, 1.9 bored out, with Garrett turbocharger, I believe, producing a stupid amount of power. And here we go. Bloody hell. That's enough. Jesus. No, I'm glad. I'm really glad you didn't change up. I was going to shit my pants then. Jeez, I'm really glad you didn't change up. I thought you were going to go for another gear.
I was contemplating.
I was glad you didn't. That was scary, man. I don't think I've been in something as fast as that, ever. Shake the hands. Yeah, there's a bit of shake there. Alright, bye.